everyone, welcome to MES's e-learning channel. In this video, we are going to solve numerical 2 on Crypt Arithmetic. If you have not watched numerical 1, the link is given in the description. Please go and watch that first. Okay, so now let's try to understand this numerical. Here we are going to solve your plus u is equal to heart. Now if you observe, the first word has 4 alphabets and the second word that we have has 3 alphabets. We have to add both of these words which will result in heart, which is a 5-letter alphabet. Now there are the same 2 constraints that we have. The first being you have to allot 1 digit from 0 to 9 to all the alphabets that you have here in this particular numerical, and once you have allotted a digit to an alphabet, you cannot use that digit for any other alphabet. So let's note down, or let's write down what all alphabets we have here. So we have Y, O, U, R, then Y, O, U is already available with us. Then we have H, E, A, R and T. Okay. So now here in this particular numerical, they have already given to us that we have to assume O is equal to 4. So since we already have the value of O given to us as 4, let's write it over here. This means that we cannot use 4 or we cannot allot 4 as the value to any other alphabets now, right? So now let's try to solve and find the values of all of the other variables. Okay, so now here if you see, we have a position here which is for H, right? H does not have any alphabets above it which can be added, and then the addition of those 2 numbers will result in the value that H has, right? So definitely, you know, there's some value over here that is coming from this particular value. When you add the values available here, it is definitely resulting into a carry which is 1. Now why the carry is 1? Because when you add the numbers available to you, you will see that the carry that gets generated is only 1, right? So the value of H is definitely 1, which is coming from a carry, right, from the previous state or the previous column. So H is definitely equal to 1. Now let's write that 1 over here. Also let's write the value of O in its places. So O is over here and over here, right? So once you have that, Y can only be a value from 0 to 9. So Y is definitely equal to 9 because that is the most largest number that we have over here. But 9 on its own will not generate a 2-digit number which will ultimately give you a carry in the next position. So definitely there is a carry coming over here as well from this stage, right? So if you have a carry plus if you have the value of Y as 9, this carry and this 9, when you add them together, will result in 10, right? So 0 over here, carry which is coming down over here. So we can write the value of Y as 9, right? And value of E as 0. Now we have Y over here as well. So let's write it there. Now when you add 9 plus 4, it results in 13. So we have 3 over here, units place is over here, tens place 10 is going up, right? Now we have to find the value of U and you have to find the value of R and T. Now what are the possible values that you have? Now you only have values, what values you have? You have 2, 3, 4 is already gone, 0, 1 is already gone, then you have 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So here you should not have a carry, right? If you get a carry, this will result into some number which will create a conflict, right? Because you already have a 4 and so on. So you will have to choose for a number which does not generate a carry. So what value can you give? Let's say we assume that U is equal to 2. So if you assign value of U as 2, 2 plus 4 is equal to what? 6. So R's value is 6. Let's fill R's value 6 over here as well. Here you have U. U's value is 2. Let's write it over here. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So you got the value of T as 8. None of the values are conflicting with each other. So this is a perfect solution. So let's update our table over here. U is what? U is 2. R is 6. A is 3. And I have written R again, so it's not required. And T is 8. So if you observe, all the alphabets have unique numbers assigned to them from 0 to 9. So I hope you have understood this example. If you have any confusion or doubts related to it, please ask them in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And if you found this helpful, please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.